Want to start watching Netflix on your Android phone in 2026? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to download and install the official Netflix app from the Google Play Store. Begin by unlocking your phone and connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. A reliable internet connection will make the download process faster and help avoid any interruptions during installation. Next, open the Google Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. Once the Play Store loads, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Netflix, then tap the search icon on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the official Netflix app published by Netflix Inc. Be sure to check the developer name carefully to make sure you're installing the genuine app and not a copy. The official Netflix app will usually appear near the top of the results. Tap on the Netflix app to open its details page. Here, you can read about the app, view screenshots, check ratings, and review recent updates if you'd like. When you're ready, tap the install button. The Play Store will automatically download and install Netflix on your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to open. Tap open to launch Netflix. You can then sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're new to the service. For easier access in the future, you can also add the Netflix app to your home screen. And that's it. Netflix is now installed and ready to use, so you can start enjoying your favorite movies, TV shows, and original content anytime.